Have you ever started a printing job only to be startled by a sudden mechanical symphony erupting from your desk? You might wonder if that's just how all printers are. No, laser printers typically do not make a lot of noise while actively printing, especially when compared to their inkjet counterparts. They are generally known for being quieter, which makes them a popular choice for home offices and shared workspaces where peace and quiet are valued. The primary reason laser printers are quieter comes down to their printing process. Instead of physically striking the page or spraying ink through tiny nozzles, laser printers use static electricity and heat. A laser draws an image onto a photosensitive drum, which then attracts toner powder. This powder is then fused onto the paper using a fuser assembly that heats and presses it onto the page. This method involves fewer moving parts that make direct contact with the paper, resulting in significantly less operational noise. To help ensure your laser printer remains a quiet addition to your office, consider its placement. Putting it on a sturdy surface can help absorb vibrations, reducing any rattling sounds. You can also look for models that specifically advertise quiet modes or noise reduction features, which can be particularly useful if you print frequently or work in a very small space. Regularly cleaning your printer, especially removing paper dust, can also prevent components from working harder and generating more sound. While the laser printing process itself is quiet, the loudest part of a laser printer's operation is often the fuser warming up or the paper handling mechanism. Modern laser printers are incredibly efficient, often featuring sleep modes that allow them to warm up quickly when needed, minimizing the time the fuser is actively heating. Some advanced models even incorporate sound-dampening materials and optimized airflows to further reduce noise levels during operation. Choosing a laser printer allows you to enjoy fast, high-quality prints without the disruptive clatter that can break your concentration. Understanding how they work and taking a few simple steps ensures your printing experience is as smooth and unobtrusive as possible, helping you maintain a calm and productive work environment.